Our next step in this part is to edit the base and convert it to a sheet metal part. To do that, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to tell it I want to edit the part. And if I don't have the sheet metal tab up here again, I'm going to right click, go to tabs, and turn on sheet metal. So now that I have the sheet metal tab active, I'm going to select it. And what I want to do is tell it to insert bends. Notice the other parts are see-through because I'm editing this part. I'll select this face as my fixed face. I'll tell it the internal bend radius is 10 thou. And then I'll accept that selection. We'll give it a minute to collect all the bends. It's going to let me know that auto relief cuts were made for one or more bends. That's great. I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to just flatten it out to see how it looks. So we can see the auto relief cuts in the corner, especially if we zoom in. I'm going to fold it back up. And I'm going to stop editing this part. And I'm going to repeat the procedure for this part. So I'll select it. I'll edit the part. I'm going to tell it to insert bends, select my fixed face, accept the settings, and say OK. And I'm going to do that one more time for each of the remaining two components. So I'll stop editing this part, select this part, edit it, insert the bends, select my fixed face, leave all the remaining defaults and say OK. Stop editing this part, I'll rotate around, and I'll select this part, I'll edit the part, insert my bends, select my fixed face, and I'll say OK. Once again, I'll stop editing that part, I'll look at it isometrically, and I'll save